Girl, you know when the hair looks bomb, but it doesn't feel that way? So with just a little bit of combing, girl, this is what I got. Girl, it looks cute, but this is that look but don't touch hair, girl. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair out of you made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Look, you gon' be my man or not? Kick it in the sand or not? Grip it like a band or not? Lick it like a stamp or not? You gon' one that stand or not? Ice up on my hand or not? We gon' free some bands or not? Leave me where I stand or not? We gon' make some plans or not? Please me with them hands or not? Is you a fan or not? Do you understand or not? You gon' come back home or not? Leave my ass alone or not? Pick up your phone or not? Get inside my zone or not? Is you gon' ride or not? Even through all the flaws, is you gon' hide or not? Cause I've been seeking cause and feeling freaking lost. I think I paid the cost, been living like a boss. So guess I'll take the loss. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. There ain't no way I let you down, no matter the day, always be around. You know you better get it together. I know you never thought I'd forget it forever. Never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. Hey you guys, and welcome back to After K Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Briallen and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs on this one. So with this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. It does come with a singular middle HD lace parting, as well as it's pre-plucked with baby hairs. Let me just show you what this hairline's looking like. I feel like the hairline looks good. It always does on the Melted Hairline collection. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. So the texture on this unit, guys, I'm honestly kind of not feeling it. I mean, straight out of the box, it was very nice. It's a very soft Yaki. But, I mean, even if you just even finger comb it a little bit, girl, let me just tell you, it's kind of giving me like dried synthetic braiding hair texture, if that makes any sense. Like the quality of the hair unfortunately really does not seem like it's the highest. This definitely seems like it is a special occasion unit, and I honestly, even at that point, I honestly don't really see getting that many words about it. So the length on this one, I am 5'3" for reference, and it comes well below my boobs. So let me just show y'all how that's looking. And the density on this one is definitely on the further side, even straight out of the box without finger combing it or wide tooth combing it or anything like that. It's definitely leaning more towards 150%. And now that I did go in and comb it out with a wide tooth comb as well as my fingers, it's definitely giving me like 180%, girl. This is all the hair to the front. And as you can see, my face is kind of like swimming in it. So this unit is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I haven't adjusted the straps at all. My head is definitely on the small to medium size. It's about 21.5 to 22 inches, and it's fitting my head pretty snug. So if you do have a larger size head, I feel like with this one you may have to stray on the side of caution because the cap does not seem like it has much stretch to it. So I feel like if you do have a larger size head, this one may not be for you, but if your head is on the small to medium size, you definitely can get away with wearing this one. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con and my only con for this unit is definitely going to be the texture. Just like I said, straight out of the box, it was nice feeling and soft Yaki, but the more that I finger comb and combed it out even just a little bit, it was definitely starting to give me that dried out Yaki texture. I got a good amount of tangling and shedding. So with just a little bit of combing, girl, this is what I got. This is not coming off like as a unit that's gonna last a good amount of time. That's probably my only con on it. My pros on it are I really think this wave pattern is absolutely beautiful. I really love this glam soft curl look. I love the hairline. I love the parting space.
I think the length is pretty nice, even though I would go and cut it out. The density is wonderful. As a whole, I feel like this tuner is pretty good. Would I buy it again? Definitely not, just because I feel like this one is not going to last a good amount of time. I would recommend this, but only if you do not plan on wearing this consistently, and more so if you plan on getting this look for a specific event or something. I mean, girl, if you feel in the look, go for it. You know, if you got the money to spend, go ahead and spend. But if you're trying to get more bang for your buck, then I wouldn't recommend this one. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this tuner. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units for me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.